and gentlemen, it is my honor to present to you the reason why we're all gathered here in this amazing ballerina party.
Today's the day. Now's the time for all our dreams to come alive. Today's the day to see the world in a whole new light. Now's the time. Now's the time. Now's the time. Now's the time. Today's the now's the time. Now's the time. Now's the time. Now's the time. Now's the time.
9 years ago, I remember, no? Sobrang, alam mo yun, hindi naman down, masaya pa rin kahit na walang anak. Siyempre, church servant kami. Sabi nga namin before, kung yung prayer namin hindi didinggin, okay lang. Sana yung mga tao na lang na pumupunta doon sa Padre Pio, especially dahil doon kami nagsiserve, dinggin yung prayer nila. Baka ito yung mission namin na mag-serve na lang doon and ilapit yung prayer ng mga ibang tao na yon na pumupunta doon. Talagang pag nakikita ko, lagi ko na lang sinasabi, kaya pala Lord 9 years, hinubog mo ng mabuti, hinulma mo ng mabuti. Si Bia ay sobrang masayahing bata. Alam mo yung paggising niya, may camera o wala, pagdilat ng mata, tawagin mo yung pangalan niya, Bia, smile talaga.
Cause this could be the best day of our lives, yeah. This is where it all begins. Burning like a light show, free yourself and let go. Time to see it all. Don't think about tomorrow. Today we are heroes. Hear adventure call. There are whole new worlds to see. I keep running, and my feet keep lifting me like I'm flying. Time to see it. This is where it all begins. This is where it all begins. This is where it all begins. 'Cause this could be the best day of our lives, yeah. This is where it all begins.
Bia, anak, thank God kasi ipinagkaloob ka sa amin. Marami ang humihiling na magkaroon ng anak. Sobrang mapalad kami at pinagkalooban kami. After 9 years in the making. Salamat anak sa pagdating mo sa buhay namin. I hope and pray na pagdating ng araw na lumalaki ka, nawa ay maging mabuti kang bata at patuloy na maging masayahin upang makapagbigay pa ng inspirasyon sa maraming tao. Salamat anak sa pagdating mo sa buhay namin. At thank you Lord sa biyaya ng buhay na ibigay ko sa amin. Mahal na mahal ka namin anak.
It will be the day. I was made to dream that anything can be my own. I found my home.
Via, thank you for coming into our life. Sabi ko nga, 9 years ka namin inantay ni tatay. And I know, you're such a very precious gift. Binigay ka ni Lord. Kaya ka nga Via eh. Kasi ikaw ay isang biyaya. Salamat. Kasi binigyan mo ng kulay ang buhay namin ni tatay. Happy birthday, anak. I wish you healthy and I pray to God na maging mabuti kang bata parati. We love you.
Will be the day, it all will change. No one's in my way. Today will be the day. Today will be the day.
Thank you, Lord. After 9 years and 9 months, Rodel and I were blessed with the most precious jewel in our life. And we are now a complete family because of our little darling, Eliana Revilla.